Come on, babe. It's time to get up. Beach.
Beach time.
Beach day. Beach time. Beach what?
Beach body.
Yeah, we're just getting up. I'm about to get ready to go to Myrtle Beach.
It's the first time.
I actually never been to Myrtle Beach. So.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Myrtle. Good old Myrtle.
Try to get some better lighting.
Everyone knows
literally,
about
we
Myrtle
just woke up. So.
Beach time.
Yep.
We're going on a little mini.
Beach.
It looks like the thing is. So we're on our way to the beach.
Beach.
Just leaving the house. We're just going for a few hours, like 24 hours. Not really 24. Yeah. How many hours, babe?
That's about 3 hours.
About 3 hours?
About 3 hours.
You think so?
It's going by the time we get there, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Great.
Second, say hey, Champ. Champ's coming with. So we're gonna go ahead and get our stuff together. See you when we hit the road a little bit. 3 hours away, so it'll be quick, fast, and easy. All right, babe.
Happy the other day.
He's looking for the microphone. Since you guys always trying to say like we never had microphones, that's what he's doing. It's okay. We'll tell him.
Set them down somewhere else?
I mean, they would be in here. You know what I mean? Or unless they're in the bag and you don't know. Wave at the camera. Say cheese, Ev. Champy.
She said Kate.
Hmm?
She said Kate.
Okay, mommy.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Get it on the road.
Yeah, how you do it? How you say let's get it in sign language?
Comment below.
Thought you knew that, Faith. How do you say let's get it in sign language?
Let's look at the GPS. Say hello. Here.
It's hot.
Are you having fun? Are you?
Are you?
No, I'm asking. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all could have went there. Say something, babe.
Well, you know, out here at the beach. First time coming to the beach, like playing a beach day type.
Kind of went on a whim.
We sure did.
Just kind of drove. It's only, oh my gosh. It's only 3 hours away. And it's really hot.
Yeah.
It's hot to walk on the sand.
Yeah, the sand is hot. And it burned. Me and Ev had to find safety underneath a garbage can. Serious.
Yeah.
But Faith is out there. Not too far.
Here, Ev.
I don't like the beach. Look at him. He just. You're about to freak out.
It's okay, Kim.
It is hot though. Man. It's oh.
Do you want your here? Fine. Champ, come on.
No, Sam.
It's okay, Champ.
Yeah, he's like more relaxed.
Yeah.
Yeah. 10.